Hello， 大家好，欢迎回到 Sukiyaki United。今天呢，我要带你们去另外一个纽约的茶会，然后这个茶会是巧克力主题。看我的戒指，我是专门为了，我是专门对个焦了，这个太阳真是的。巧克力戒指，对的，其实我没有什么太多巧克力东西，所以这次是专门为这个茶会买的巧克力戒指，然后包上还有一个巧克力的，这是一个巧克力的马卡龙。今天我们的茶会内容呢是去参观一个巧克力工厂，对，应该会蛮有意思的，让我们进去看一下吧。
Your doubts about me, sometimes so do I, but trust me, know you had your doubts about me, I deliver if you let me show you I'm in love. Give me your devotion, 'cause my heart is set in motion, I'm in love. Tell me all your secrets if you want to, I can keep them, I'm in love. I don't even care about money making or the good life, I'm in Just like the heat causes fire, 'cause you know it makes me go higher. When you touch my hips in the shower, can't exist between your dollars. Please stop making me out while I sink in the hot tub. Shouldn't I feel freaky the whole time? My heart beat faster, coming to get you, coming to get you. This love is gonna get me down, down. This love is gonna get me away. swagger. Straight up, you're killing the fun part. While I'm here, waiting to reach out. Wouldn't you feel dirty but alive to hold my rape side? Coming to get you, coming to get you. This love is gonna get me down, down. This love is gonna get me wet up, all clothes off, and make off. I'll blow your head off with a whisper. Please wake up and reach out. But won't you play with me for real?
好的，那么以上就是这一期罗娘的巧克力工厂茶会的 report 和 vlog。这一家工厂位于布鲁克林的巧克力店，他们的巧克力真的非常好吃。我自己呢买了2块回来之后觉得买少了，真的超级好吃。他们的巧克力里面会混上很多香料，所以可能我个人比较喜欢这样的味道。而且巧克力豆，如果你懂行的话，是分很多个等级的，而他们家所使用的全部都是 Criollo， 也就是最高级别的巧克力豆，味道真的超级棒。Whole Foods 超市好像说会有，如果你在美国的话，可以留意关注一下。好的，那么以上就是这一期的内容，我们下一期再见，拜拜。